In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your email address on Bitfinex. Changing the email address linked to your Bitfinex account is a good way to keep your account information up to date. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or no longer have access to your old address, Bitfinex allows you to update it through your account settings. To begin, log into your Bitfinex account. Then, click on Contact Us under the Support category at the bottom of the main page. Then a new tab will open. Find the section called Account Settings and click on it. Next, click the drop-down menu and select Change Email. Then, on the subject, put the reason why you need to change the email address associated with your Bitfinex account. On the next form, describe specific details why you need to change your email or put any valid reasons why you want to change your email. After that, answer a short CAPTCHA verification. Then hit the Submit button. Bitfinex may send a confirmation email to your new email address. Open that email and follow the confirmation link or instructions provided to verify that you own the new address. In some cases, you may also receive a notification at your previous email address, informing you that an email change has been requested. After the verification process is complete, return to your account settings and check the email address section. If the new email is displayed, the update has been successfully completed. And that's how to change your email address on Bitfinex.